Hi guys, this is Mark from Truth Seeker, and I'm going to go over one of the new pictures real quick. It's going to be a quick video, and let's get right into it. This is one of the new pictures I just got to download. Here we go. Look at this. I found something like this in another one of my videos, but look, there's like a block next to it with two holes. There's like a little pipe, and there's two holes in this. Looks like some type of cylinder with some type of clamp at the end, something mechanical for sure. I mean, and I'm just irate over the quality of this. I mean, the picture is just horrible. I mean, there's blurring all over the place, there's manipulation, but you know, that's what NASA does. Here's some type of square block with looks like two eyes, really. I mean, that's kind of what I see. And let's get to the good stuff. Alright, we're going to come down. Let's see. And again, I want to thank everybody, for the emails, your subscribing. It just amazes me that, you guys watch these videos. There's a couple of guys out there doing some really great stuff. OlympusSky, 37, Mars Anomalies, OlympusSky. I mean, these guys are doing great things. If you haven't checked them out already and subscribed to them, definitely do it. You'll be amazed at the kind of work that these guys do. They're not just showing you rocks that, I mean, I really don't want to put anybody down, but those guys are really showing you artifacts. They put a lot of hard work into it, just as I do. Okay, let's see. You can see here, it looks like a little head. It's definitely different colored. Okay. This here is very strange. I mean, it comes up, comes down, comes up and comes down here. There's something carved in here. Here's another one that comes up. I mean, there's a lot of strange. I mean, like I've been saying, I believe this is all a graveyard. That's my take on it. I'm not necessarily saying that's fact. I'm just saying I think we're looking at a graveyard. When people say, oh yeah, I see all these little people, I believe they're carvings left in front of gravestones. Now look at this. Now tell me this doesn't jump out at you. It's two eyes. There's the mouth. It's got a real big head. This is some type of star carved monument. There's another head coming down. It looks like a person carved along the side here. There's definitely symmetry. You can see. I mean, that to me is a monument or a headstone. I mean, that I can almost say for sure. You come down here. Look at this. Okay, and let's see, there was something else. Where was it? This is going to blow your mind. Now, I had to play around with this picture to get this to come out, but I'll give you all the links. Look at this. Looks like a Mayan pyramid. There's one level, two levels, 3, 4, 5, 6. It looks like a stair. You see the way they tried to blur it out. I was able to get it out. They messed around with this whole area here. I got some of it out. It looks like there used to be a structure, some type of structure here. They definitely messed around with this. This is the best that I can get it to come out. But it definitely looks like a carving or a pyramid. Here it looks like some type of machinery with tracks on it. Then we come up here. Here is a cylinder, a big cylinder. Here's another cylinder. This is a big ball. There's something coming out of it, and it goes into like some type of wheel here. It almost looks like a wrecking ball that used to be hung on a big crane with the magnet at the end of it, and then the big wrecking ball. There's another one, a smaller one. There's another one back here. this is all blurred. They manipulated all of this over here. And I got another video that's coming out. I'm going to show you 100% proof of them blurring and editing things and blocking things. I have two different angles of a picture, and wait until you see it. It's just unbelievable. Here's something on top of some type of block. Here's two circles. I mean, this stuff you really don't see in nature. I mean, stuff like this. And you come over here. There's definitely a lot going on in this area here. But, I mean, you just don't see this kind of stuff in nature. It just doesn't happen. Here it looks to be some type of statue standing up. Then we come down and back to this. I mean, just look at this. There's the two bulging eyes, the mouth. It looks maybe some type of jade. It's carved. I mean, this thing is just absolutely beautiful. Imagine what the real picture must look like. You know, imagine if you worked at NASA and you were able to sit down and just really look at these unedited pictures. How amazing it must be. I mean, before I die, I would just love to see one of these unedited pictures. You know, I'm no spring chicken. I mean, I got some years left in me, but I don't think any of us are ever going to see disclosure, unfortunately. There's just too much at stake. Way too much. I mean, they would have to give in that there is UFOs. It would just be too much that would be given up. And everybody would be fighting to get up there and get these artifacts. And it would just be a disaster. So I don't expect anytime soon that I'm going to, or you will see anything. Any type of disclosure. I mean, look at this. I mean, this has just been chopped and diced and ginsued. I mean, that's been hit with a Ginsu knife in Photoshop. I mean, it's the best that I can get most of this stuff to come out. I mean, then there's another one that I'm working on. It's, like I said, it's just going to blow your mind. I mean, it's just blatant right in front of you what NASA's doing. And the other day I've been sending NASA email after email, and I finally got a response from them. And I'll give you I'm gonna release the email, but part of it says that we're in a great age of discovery. We're in the great age of discovery in a Martian land. You know, that it's a great time, you know, to be discovering these things in a Martian land. No, it just seemed kind of weird, you know, Martian, to have that from NASA in an email. Alright guys, you know, hit subscribe, you know what to do. I'm out.